Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Guyleen, and as I hinted at last week, exciting news today. We're going to be giving away 10 of these sweet treat stamping kits from Maniology. They were kind enough to contact me and ask me if I wanted to host a giveaway on their website, and they're going to take care of all the giveaway stuff, so I don't have to mess with any of it. No shipping, anything. You do need to be in the United States to win, and sorry about that. But 10 of these are going to be given away, and they set up a little website on their website, a little giveaway. So you just follow the link below. So you fill out the form, subscribe to me on YouTube, to them on YouTube. That's 3 entries. And then also Instagram is 4 entries, and I think another Instagram for them is 5 entries you could have to win one of 10 of these cute, adorable sweet treat stamping kits. I'm going to show you this kit now, and this giveaway is from December 2nd today through December 9th. So like that night, it's going to flip over on the 10th to my favorite things, a second giveaway worth $100 of my favorite things. So they told me just go through the site, pick out $100 worth of things that I'd like to give away that are my favorite things on their website, and they're going to give that away. And as always, please continue to use my code Guyleen325 and you get 10% off. I get a commission. I use that money, usually most of it, to buy things to give away. I have got a few more giveaways going this month in December. So also the Maniology Mani by Me box is also coming soon, and that one of those will be given away, of course, like every month. Is that it? Did I do all the steps I'm supposed to do? Hope. I have already swatched these on the lids, but you know, I just showed you both of these, gold and red, in the last video that I compared all their red, silver, and gold polishes, and they were awesome. What is in the sweet treat box? It is a stamping starter kit, so it has everything you need to start with. Here's the sweet treat stamping plate, Maniology M251. I am going to swatch all of these for you. And the 2 polishes that come with them are Cherry Bomb and Gold Rush. And then an adorable stamper with a scraper. So cute. Matches the box. Really cute. This, I already have one, so I'm going to put this away over here with my pile of giveaway stuff. And I already have another Cherry Bomb so I'm going to use from that one and give this one away. I'm going to put this aside, and in the future that's going to go in a giveaway. And I'm going to use my stamper so I don't have to ruin the new one. And we're going to take a look at this plate. I'm going to swatch everything for you on my little stamping station. So I'm going to take that top sheet off and have my sticky stuff here to stamp with. I am going to use my big giant sticky stamper to pick up images and put them on the sticky stamper so you can see them. And again, implore everybody, vote down below. Implore Maniology. We want another monster stamper. So this is not the stamper that they used to have when they were Bundle Monster. This is one I've got. It also is not available anymore, and everybody wants one of these. Let's hear it down below. Carol, Maniology, we want another sticky stamper like that, a giant one. So on my nails, the green is a lily pad, another one that I didn't even realize, I didn't know where it came from, and then you guys pointed out to me that I did get this in the Brights stamping set because I wanted that Violet Waves. I wanted another Violet Waves, and I had to buy the whole set to get them, and this is one of them, and I love it. And I will, I promise. So I have had several people ask me to go ahead and swatch and compare all the other like primary colors, and I will do that soon. I'll put that on in January because I just don't have the time in December. I've got so many things going and so many videos to post that I just don't think I'm going to have time to do that this month. But I will put that on the schedule for next month and make sure I get that done, because you guys wanted to see all the primary colors that I have that are my favorites. And yeah, you're going to kind of see my favorites here next week when I do that video, and it's and that giveaway goes live. I've fingerprinted this all up. Let's go ahead and clean this again. I got oil all over my hands. Okay, so the green is Lily Pad. And then on my other nails, I put just a thin coat of coconut. It's kind of a beige color. My nails are super short right now. I figured some people will definitely appreciate that, seeing a mani on shorties. And this one is Glam. It is that gold topper. It is so pretty, and it will build up. I just put a really thin light coat on because I think that this red, well, it doesn't look great over a dark color like this. It does look really good over other colors. So I'm going to use that in Gold Rush, and I think I'm also going to use a Lily Pad. But first up, let's swatch this plate. When you pull the plastic off of them, make sure you clean them too. And grab a paper towel and my stick stamper, and I am going to swatch this entire plate so you can see every image. They're so cute. We're just going to cause a bloodbath with all this red. Oh, I didn't even really notice Santa before. When you're stamping, not just when you're doing this, I'm just swatching, but when you're using this, any kind of opaque polish, especially with thick lines like in this little candy thing, you want to kind of let that polish sit in the image before you scrape it, and then hold off just a couple of seconds picking it up, and also when you go to put it on your nail, so that those thick lines aren't squishing out. I love that little reindeer. I should have used him. Little reindeer, cup of hot cocoa. It looks like I've got a murder scene to clean up here. Right, I'm just gonna do a little stamping. I am gonna do a little advanced, I don't know, coloring in, reverse stamp, decal work, whatever you want to call it. But I just want this little tree on here, and then I'm just gonna pick up a couple of little star groupings and a red star at the top, and just put a little, you know, red down through here on the tree, make a little decorations. I should have put some cookies on it. Wasn't thinking. That would have been cute. And this candy cane, just pick it up and just gonna color in with a detail brush, white behind it. And of course I gotta put sweet treat on here. Oh, sweet feast. And when you're doing one of these, make sure that you're doing your little details first. So I'm just gonna color in a little orange, tiny nose. That was hard. A little carrot, I ain't gonna lie. Teeny tiny. For sure thought I'd screw it up, but I actually did a really nice job with that. And then I'm gonna color the snowman white, and I, as you can see, made the hat and the scarf red. And then I just wanted to show you how this looks. Sparkle sometimes is hard to cover up and hard to do really well if you have a polish that's not super opaque. But since this is gold and the red is definitely darker than it, it looks great. It's stamped fabulous. That little snowman on. And a little mug of cocoa. And then I'm gonna, of course, put some smudge-free top coat over it. This is a water base, so I do recommend you put a quick dry top coat over this if you want all this work to last. If you're afraid of smudging your stamping, then I recommend go ahead and put some on a stamper and just stamp it over that image. Let it dry and then put your quick dry top coat over that. And see, it did look really good. It didn't cover black, but it does look really good over this gold, and it looks good over the green. So I'm really happy with this. I think they turned out adorable. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching and so much for joining me. Please remember to use Guyline325 when you're at Maniology shopping and save 10%. And don't forget to follow the link down below and go enter the giveaway and win one of 10 of these Sweet Treat stamping starter kits. And come back, hit that bell, subscribe, and hit that bell up there so you're notified whenever I put up videos. I do a lot of giveaways all month long. These are just special, and I really appreciate Maniology reaching out to me and offering this for you guys, for me to do, and I really appreciate it. And it's really fun. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for a little fun video here at the end. Go enter the giveaway. Bye.
Don't you do that. Ooh, stop that. Ooh.
No.
You put that foot down.
No.
You put your foot down. Ah.
There's games.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.